Hi there. Are you a 13-year-old looking to make some extra cash? Well, you're in luck because I've got some tips for you. Firstly, think about what skills or talents you have that others might pay for. Are you good at playing an instrument or a sport? Do you enjoy crafting or baking? These are all potential money-making opportunities. Next, consider offering your services to your family, friends, or neighbors. Offer to walk their dogs, babysit their kids, or help with yard work. Be sure to set fair prices for your time and effort. Another way to make money is by selling items you no longer need or want. Have a garage sale or sell items online through platforms like eBay or Craigslist. Lastly, consider online opportunities such as taking surveys or participating in online focus groups. These may not provide a consistent income, but they can still be a great way to earn some extra cash. Remember, making money at 13 can be challenging, but with some creativity and hard work, you can do it.